Glowing skin heart to welcome back, and I humbly request you to subscribe to the channel. Friends, if you've tried the first set of remedies, your skin must already be feeling softer and more radiant. Let's take it a step further with more natural tricks. These are super easy and effective for daily glow and nourishment. Of course, you have to watch the part 1 video so you can understand what we will give in part 2. First, the cucumber refresh. Slice a fresh cucumber and gently rub it on your face or blend it into a smooth paste and apply it as a mask. Cucumber is packed with water and antioxidants, which instantly hydrate your skin. Keep a few slices in the fridge for a quick refreshing glow anytime during the day. I will make a video on the benefits of cucumber. When you watch the video, you will understand the benefits of cucumber. To understand today's video, we will do as I advise you. Next up, oatmeal glow treatment. Mix oatmeal with a little milk or water to form a paste and apply it to your face. Oatmeal gently exfoliates, soothes irritation, and leaves your skin soft. Massaging it lightly for a few minutes enhances the effect. Friends, this is perfect for sensitive skin and anyone wanting smoother, brighter skin naturally. Don't forget rose water. Spritz it on your face or use it as a toner after cleansing. It tightens pores, refreshes, and balances the skin. It's like a mini spa at home, simple, effective, and relaxing. Another favorite is avocado mask. Mash half an avocado and apply it directly on your face for 15 to 20 minutes. Avocado nourishes with vitamins and healthy fats. Your skin feels hydrated instantly, and over time, it brightens dull skin naturally. Finally, papaya mask. Mash ripe papaya and apply it to your face for 10 to 15 minutes. Papaya enzymes gently remove dead skin cells and even out skin tone. Friends, this is great for dark spots and dull patches. Over a few weeks, your skin will glow naturally without harsh chemicals. If you can apply it to your face or skin as I mentioned in this video, you will definitely get many benefits. Consistency is essential. Use these remedies weekly, stay hydrated, eat healthy, and get enough sleep. Hug alert! These small steps together create a big difference for naturally glowing skin.